Venus flytraps, Dionaea massipula, are the most commonly known of all the carnivorous plants. It belongs to the sundew family Droseraceae. It is a perennial flowering plant best known for its carnivorous eating habits and notable for its unusual habit of catching and digesting insects and other small animals. The Venus flytrap gets some of its nutrients from the soil, but to supplement its diet, the plant eats insects, ants, beetles, grasshoppers, and spiders. The traps are actually a hinged leaf that snaps shut when trigger hairs are touched. The leaves are 8 to 15 centimeter long and have blades that are hinged along the midline so that there are two nearly circular lobes. You may see the trap made up of two hinged lobes at the end of each leaf. The hinged traps are edged with small bristles that interlock when the trap shuts to ensure that the prey cannot escape out. The trap soon becomes an impenetrable chamber, sealing the fate of its victim. The traps of these plants are extraordinary in that they are strongly red when exposed to sunlight. You can see the red color of the trap here. With this red color and the liquid excreted by nectarines, they attract the prey. On the inner surface of the lobes are hair-like projections called trichomes. They are feeler bristles that cause the lobes to snap shut when the prey comes in contact with them. This type of movement is called thigmonasty. This action is triggered by pressure on 6 sensitive hairs, 3 on each lobe. Hope you can see the 3 sensitive hairs on each lobe of the trap. When an insect crawling on the leaves contacts a hair, the trap prepares to close, snapping shut only if another contact occurs within approximately 20 seconds of the first strike. C for the snail, touching the first hair and moving freely, but when it touches the next hair, the trap closes. The trap does not close all of the way at first. It is thought that it stays open for few seconds in order to allow very small insects to escape because they would not provide enough food. The mechanism is so highly specialized that it can distinguish between living prey and non-prey stimuli such as raindrops. If the object is not a food, the trap will reopen in about 12 hours and spit it out. Glands on the leaf surface then secrete a red sap that digests the insect's body and gives the entire leaf a red flower-like appearance. You can see the bee walks right in the waiting trap, and you can also observe a trapped and digested dead insect. It dissolves the soft inner parts of the insect but not the tough outer part called the exoskeleton. At the end of the digestive process, which takes from 5 to 12 days, The trap reabsorbs the digestive fluid and then reopens. The leftover parts of the insect, the exoskeleton, blow away in wind or it may be washed away by rain. The time it takes for the trap to reopen depends on the size of the insect, the temperature, age of the trap, and the number of times it has gone through this process. After 3 or 4 captures, the trap dies but not the plant.